He said he had a plan to fix everything. My husband said he had a way to solve both of our problems, my creepy boss and our bank account. After another awful day at work, I came home to a filthy apartment, frozen dinner, and Connor saying he wanted to help. I should have known that was bad news. He told me to flirt with my boss, go on a date, record everything, then accuse him and blackmail him for money. Two birds, one stone, he said. I wanted to scream, but instead I smiled and said, sure. The next night, the police came knocking on the door. They found his wallet at the scene of the murder, my boss's murder. They arrested Connor on the spot. I mean, you know what they say. Two birds, one stone.